That sky, guys. It's not really the time of year for great skies yet. It's more towards the end of the year. And we'll get some really good skies. See people still on the beach. Quite a few people on the beach actually. How warm it is. 27 degrees when we come down. It was a lot warmer than that walking along here. Where are you going this Saturday night? Off to the beach? There you go. And there you guys down there. I'll walk a bit further up now, I think. Saloon's still not open. I'd say, guys, I don't think that's going to be reopening. Looks like one of my favourite bars has gone. No chairs or anything in there. There's usually loads of chairs in there. Well, that's a bit of sad news. This would be a great bar, that. Just couldn't hold on. They did try and reopen. Just don't think they were getting anybody in there. Oh well. Sorry to hear that. Oh, are they going to refurbish? I don't know. I'll let you know if we can find something else out about that. See loads of people about now. You guys are worried nothing's open. I think nothing's going to be open now. I'm going to have another look at the nightclub square tomorrow probably. Apparently they've put some coloured flooring down up there or something. It doesn't look that good apparently. That's what I've heard. I think it's going to be too dark up there to have a look at it tonight. Jungle open there. Okay, reach. There are a few in. Not back to normal yet. So I've got a good few in at the moment though. It's all the sitting down, no dancing thing, that's the problem at the moment. You're still not allowed to dance in Spain on the dance floor. Well, I can get a walk up past there because there's a bit of music going. Let's see, I'm recovering a bit though. That with a hair copyright. These bars obviously got a lot of money to make that this year. Light's starting to take effect a bit now. I can't see too well on the camera. Look at that sky behind there though. A bit of bad news. Another lovely day tomorrow, I think it's going to be. Move on a bit. We've got the live stream on Sunday. My channel. 7 o'clock in the UK, 8 o'clock in Spain. Don't forget about that, guys. Love to see you in there. We'll say hello. Okay guys, we'll let that again. We'll see for more from Benidorm, watch one in the card now. And we'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.